Well, call me crazy, but I personally think the Ipsy mystery bags are getting better. And lately, the website's had a makeover. The shop prices, like holy bananas, you guys. I have found some really good deals there lately. So I don't know, but I feel like the Ipsy bags are getting better. We're gonna do it again today. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we're going to be checking out a mystery box, which is one of my favorite things to open up. But first we're going to introduce Ana Luisa. Now Ana Luisa is sponsoring today's video and I'm so excited to be working with them because I have been a customer of theirs for years now. And now that they're officially working with me and they wanted to sponsor a video, I was like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. So Ana Luisa is a jewelry company and most of the jewelry that you see on me in a video is coming from Ana Luisa. So I love gold jewelry. They have some of the best rings out there. So all of these rings are going to be from Ana Luisa's website. You can get all of them still as well. So if you want the same ones, they still have them. Additionally, this necklace, one of my favorite necklaces from them. So it's called Rowena and it is a gold chain necklace and has these cute little gold flowers. But it's lightweight, it's super simple, it goes with everything. So it just adds a little bit of like class, just a little something extra there. I just love it. So if you're interested, Ana Luisa has a major sale going on right now. So I have a link down below where you're going to see exclusive pricing and you're going to get the best possible deals by means of that link. All of their packaging, when you place your order, will come in and you can recycle it. They're all climate neutral and they reduce that carbon footprint by having all of the packaging be very minimal. So this is another thing that I think is great is they have committed to reducing waste. I'm a huge fan of their rings, partially because the rings themselves are waterproof. They additionally have a 2-year warranty on them. And that goes for all of their jewelry. It's not just their rings. But with me and doing so many different unboxings, I need rings that are going to be sturdy. They're going to stand up to everything and I don't want them to scratch easily or to bend or to get ruined. So that is why I love their jewelry, is because it really does stand up to everything. So this ring is the newest one in my collection. I got this because it's going to match what I currently have, but I love how it looks like it's just floating there. So it's just one piece that just spirals around and it's a really cute modern look. So I loved how that turned out. I was so happy when I got it in the mail. This ring, if you wanted the same one, it's called the Oren Triple. So you could just search that down below at the website and then find the same one. The other piece of jewelry that I recommend, like I said, is the necklaces. So the rings and the necklaces are my personal favorite. For example, this charm necklace is the latest one that I got. And this is going to feature, you get a little bow, a butterfly, there's a heart. We've also, look at these cherries, you guys. Are those not adorable up there? So cute, but very lightweight. And once again, it's just gonna be this simple little accent up here. And that is something that I love to use with no matter what I'm wearing. So this necklace, same thing, waterproof, 2-year warranty, and the name of it is called the Everyday Charm Necklace. So if you wanted to pick these items up or any other items while they're on sale, definitely use the link down below. You'll see that exclusive pricing and save some money. Well, let's get into this mystery bag. So this bag is called Squeeze Me, and it is a full-size mystery bag. So we are supposed to have in here 5 full-size products. It retails for $34 on the Ipsy website, which I do have a link down below if you guys want to go get it. There is a $2 handling fee per order that you place on their website. So lately what I've been doing is instead of just buying like the mystery bags one at a time, I will bundle and buy a couple, or I will buy a few other products from the shop. So for my review today, it's $34 for the bag. We're gonna say that this was $1 for the handling just to roll it in there. And then there are taxes on it as well. So I paid for this one. It comes out to about $38 is what I paid to get this bag. But let's face it, the products is where it really counts in this mystery bag. I did see online on Ipsy that as of right now when I'm filming this, there is only one review, but somebody gave it 5 stars. So I'm hoping that's a genuine review and it's not like Ipsy internally adding 5 stars to all their bags. But I was like, well, maybe that's hopeful. And last time this went really well. So I hope this is good today. So this is what it will look like inside of your bag. So you do get the pink lining again. It's cute. First item is from Ciaté London. This is their Aqua Forte, and it is a super hold setting spray. So, there are so many brands that's like Ciaté London and, you know what I mean, Iconic London, and now I've got Ciaté London. Like, they're so close. So here's what the packaging will look like. It is a full-size product. It's also vegan and clean beauty, it states. So this is a setting spray to lock in all of your makeup, and it mentions that it's a super hold. So let me see if it tells us how long that means. Like, you know, what is super hold? Because I feel like that could vary. Is it a few hours it's super hold? Or is it 24 hours? Like, what are we looking at here? So there's nothing on it. Literally, I have never seen a bottle be so bare before. There's nothing listed on here. And there's nothing on the box because they just wrote their brand name on here. The only thing I have is the ingredients list on the back. But, you know, how long it holds for, I have no idea. It smells good. It smells like coconut. I can tell there is alcohol in there because that is a stronger scent, but there is coconut in there. Now we're going to do a spritz because there's nothing worse than getting a mister that is supposed to be a fine mist, but it actually puts out water droplets that will ruin your makeup. Like, there's nothing worse than doing all this work on your face and then it just dribbles on you. Ooh, no, that's good, you guys. Really good. You can smell the coconut in the air even. Really nice mist. There's also a lot of distance, so you could definitely spritz from far away, and it's super fine. I could see it in the light. It just falls just like a really light mist. I just wish they would have told us how long it lasts, that's all. Now, our next item that we have in here today is from Balance Me. This is their Congested Skin Serum product. So this one, I think Balance Me, they're a K-beauty item, right? Aren't they from Korea? I think that's what I remembered with this one. Of course, I always get confused. No, it's made in the UK. Way wrong direction on the map. So I take that back. This one is vegan though. It is cruelty-free. And it mentions that it's a soothing gel that's designed to reduce redness, blemishes, and it's not going to cause any dryness or irritation to your skin. So this will essentially calm your skin down, but then fighting off any sort of that redness that it mentioned earlier. So this is what it will look like for the bottle. It is a glass jar. It looks like plastic. I mean, this is plastic, but down here, this is all glass. And it says that it's also good for the planet. So you can recycle the box, keep it out of the landfill. You can also recycle the bottle. The cap and pump can also be recycled, and it's made from recycled materials. So all in all, this is a great brand. I like the fact that it's 100% natural ingredients. I like that it's recycled. I mean, you know, why wouldn't we want cleaner beauty like this? So yeah, all in all, I think it's great. Hey, we have Verb in here. This is a great hair care company. This is good, you guys. I'm a little shocked, a little bewildered. I'm looking at it like, is it going to change? Like, is it going to be a magic trick and it's not really there? So this is their Ghost Mask. It's designed for fine to medium hair, and it will help to soften and condition your hair. This is also vegan. There's no gluten, no parabens either. Light as air hair treatment that will help to add protein, reduce frizz, and promote shine for your hair overall. So Verb is a great brand. They've been around for a long time. I have found that a lot of people like their products. I don't usually use their products though. I don't know. They just don't work with my hair, but you know, you can't expect everything to work with you. But I do know this is a very well-known brand. So I think this is a win to have it in the mystery bag. It may not be a product for me, but just as a reviewing aspect, I think this is great. 6.3 ounces as well. I mean, honestly, this is fantastic. Plus, it's cruelty-free and it's vegan again. It's like this whole bag is super clean. Let's see if we can keep it going. So our next product is from Be Your Own Desire. So it's BYOD, and we have a liquid lipstick here. So this is what your packaging will look like. It does look like it's full size. It is cruelty-free. Oh, it's from Texas. This is an indie brand. Okay, cool. Now, it doesn't say it's vegan anywhere, but it is cruelty-free. So at least we got that. The shade, though, is called Explicit. So I'm guessing it's going to be kind of that cocoa brown. It's pretty. I like the shade here a lot. It's more fall oriented. You know what I mean? Like, I definitely think this is not a summer shade I would go into right now, but it is a mystery bag. So, you know, I think it's a small point, but this is what it will look like here for packaging. This one, gosh, what is happening with my swatch here? Is my vein bulging so much that like I'm getting a hump? Good grief. I'm trying to do the swatch and go over it, and every time. But anyways, so this is what the shade will look like for your swatch. It's definitely got a shine. It is that lipstick formula, so it's a little bit thicker of a product. It's not thick like a lip gloss, and it's not sticky at all, but there's quite a bit of pigment there. So I do feel like it fills in really well. Last item that we have in our mystery bag then today. This is coming from the YC collection, and it is the cream eyeshadow product. So this is what it will look like here. It says Naraya on the front. I'm wondering if that's the shade name, but I don't totally know. This is cruelty-free, and it's also vegan, you guys. Holy bananas, that is so cool that we got an entire bag of all cruelty-free products. I love how they give you no indication on the shade, unless this is the shade. Unless the shade is this green color. But other than that, there's nothing on here that tells us what it's supposed to look like. So let me peel this seal off and, oh no, it's not green. Definitely not green. I think we've got like a copper, like shimmer tone. And then I'm gonna put that on right there. So this is what it looks like to start with. And let's blend that in. Oh, she is pretty. All right. So what I like about this, very easy to blend. Look at how soft it is on the edges as well. Love that. There is a touch of shimmer, so you can kind of see it catching the light. Not too bold, but I like the fact that you could do all of that. And if you blend it out well along the edges, you wouldn't need to do any other shadows. You could literally just do this one shadow and it would give you a really pretty look. I mean, it's so blendable. I love how soft that is. Good formula. Now, I do have a very bright finger, but I like the formula. Well, that is everything inside of our main squeeze, fresh squeeze bag, something squeeze. That is everything inside of our squeeze bag. Honestly, I think it's pretty good, you guys. I'm surprised. I mean, once again, Ipsy has shocked me, but I do feel like they delivered on what they advertised, and I'm happy with this bag. So I can confirm there are 5 full-size products in here. Keep in mind that if you decide to purchase this bag, it is still a mystery. So Ipsy could swap something out or change something, but I'm pleased with what I have in my bag today. One thing that I like is that Ipsy for the longest time was sending us full-size products. They were full-size, but they would send us like a sheet mask or tweezers, or you'd get a lot of little things like this, you know, even the clear eyebrow gel, something that was really small. So even though it was a full-size product, it just felt like you were getting all these tiny little things. It kind of messed with you a bit. But I like with this that, I mean, this is a good size amount. You know what I mean? Like, these are big boxes, lots of product here. This feels like I got more product to use, so it makes my money feel more valuable. Like it went further than if you were to send me a sheet mask and tweezers and you know what I mean? It's a much better experience. So I think that's great. I also love the fact, like I mentioned, that everything was cruelty-free in here. Price point, I paid about $38 for this entire bag of goodies. It comes out to about $7.60 an item. Definitely worth $7.60 for that as well. So honestly, I think it all evens out to be a very reasonable bag. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what do you think? But this makes me excited. I feel like we've actually had a couple of good bags in a row that I'm like, yeah, let's keep doing this. Because for a while there, I was just feeling so defeated. Every time I opened it, I was like, oh my God. But now I'm like, oh my God. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. And don't forget to go check out Louisa and their amazing sale right now. But I will chat with you guys all soon. Bye.